Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Silla. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video. Dr Nandipha Make has angered a lot of people on social media because of how she appeared in court, you guys. They had a lot of things to say regarding her appearance, wearing lipsticks, of course, and doing her makeup. Ladies were fuming in the comment section. Now, you guys, to make matters worse, her attorneys decided not to apply for her bail today because there is apparently an evidence that will probably get her off the hook. So, okay, Tweeps asked why she is always looking like she has her own, why she looks like she has her own glam squad, you guys, doing her makeup. So I found out why from the comment section, also from social media, why she always slays in her court days. This is what I found out. Number one, there are ladies who were makeup artists, hairstylists, and also did nails before they got arrested. So they assist each other in looking presentable for their court appearances, you guys. There are also courses in prison for girls to learn how to do their hair, nails, and makeup in order to pass time, you guys, and possibly help each other to look good when they appear in court. I guess the good Dr. Nandipha Make is getting those free services from her jailbird of friends.